Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making a Salvadorian style soup called SOPA de Albóndigas, or meatball soup. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I did making it, so let's begin! We're going to add 5 cups of water to a pot, some green pepper, some onion, and some chicken stock seasoning. Next, we're going to dice 1 potato, half a carrot, and some chayote. We're then going to add all of this to our pot. We're going to allow our veggies to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're tender. In the meantime, we're going to start to prepare our meatballs. In another pot, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of ground pork, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of adobo, cumin, and paprika. We're then going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half a cup of cooked white rice. We want to make sure that we mix everything together. Everything has to be well incorporated. We're going to set that aside for a little bit, and now we're going to dice up 1 onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 bell pepper, some cilantro, and a handful of spearmint leaves. We're then going to bring back the pot and we're going to add all of these diced ingredients, and we're going to mix everything again with the ground pork. Next, we're ready to form our pork balls. So we're just going to grab a little bit of meat, just enough to make a golf-size type of ball, roll it around until we get the form, and then we're going to add it to our soup. We're going to allow our pork balls to cook for about 15 minutes. And voila, after the last 15 minutes, we have our delicious sopa de albóndigas. I'm really happy that I got to show you this dish, and I want to thank everyone for watching. So remember, for some more delicious videos, please subscribe. Stay tuned, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye-bye!